Hey everyone, it's Janay and today I'm coming at you with a tour of my home studio and how I film and record my YouTube videos for under $50. So if you want all the details on the equipment I use, my lighting, my sound, my camera, all that good stuff, then keep on watching. But before we even get into all that, make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing. And also make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so here is my studio room, but it's also a multi-purpose room. I have a hamper over there. I have my dance shoes in here as well that I just keep stored. My makeup stuff, hair stuff, and a little bit of cubbies. But then over here is essentially my main YouTube setup. So right here you have my tripod and phone adapter. I bought this tripod from Amazon.com and it was $27, and you can actually use this for a lot of different cameras. But I had to also purchase this phone adapter piece because I actually film and record my videos on my iPhone 8. So I needed to get something to go on the tripod that would fit my phone and hold it in place while I'm recording. So I also bought this adapter piece from Amazon and it was $6, and I will link everything down below in the description box so you can go check it out yourself. But this is my staple right here. It's super portable, super easy to use. And it goes up, down, side to side, so I can configure it any way I need to record all of my videos, whether I'm sitting down, doing a try-on haul, doing my hair, anything like that. Okay, so the next thing I want to touch on is my mirror. I have this $10 wall mirror from Walmart. And I use this because obviously when I'm recording my videos, I'm using my back camera on my iPhone 8. And so I want to be able to see myself to make sure I'm in focus, to make sure there's good lighting. So when I have my phone set up on the tripod, I can actually see in the mirror, get a picture of myself and see how I look in the actual video, make sure I'm in focus, I'm at the right angle, all that kind of stuff. So I like to just use my mirror for that, since I don't have like a flip screen where I can see myself directly on camera. But honestly, you just gotta make it do what it do and make it work with what you have, and so that's what I did. Now as for lighting, I prefer to use natural lighting. I actually don't have any ring lights or lamps or anything like that. I just use this window right here, and what I'll do, I'll pull the blinds all the way up. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'll pull the blinds all the way up. I also have this window over here where I open the blinds just to give me some nice natural lighting to film and record all of my videos, and sunlight is free 99, so I didn't pay a thing for that, just using my windows and natural lighting. Now the last thing I want to talk about is my background and overall setup. Honestly, you guys, it's nothing crazy. I'm in the second bedroom, so that's the door to the room, and then over there is a closet for storage. But all I do, I have this chair in here and I have my table, and I'll use the table if I'm doing my hair or makeup or something like that, just so I have my products on there. Otherwise, it is just me sitting in that chair with the tripod in front of me, right in front of the window, getting all of that natural lighting. So you really don't need to think too much about a crazy background, backdrop, anything like that. I'm literally just using an empty room, you guys. As you can see, I have my lit mirror right here. That is not a necessity. I just like it because I like being able to turn on that light when I'm doing my hair or makeup, and just so it's brighter. And I also think it looks pretty cool in my videos. That's just me, but it's absolutely not a necessity, you know. A little candle for some ambiance and a little aesthetic. But really, it's super simple. These are all things you have in your house. I'm sure you have a chair. I'm sure you have some type of table if you need one. You can easily get a small desk mirror like that from Walmart, the dollar store, Target, Walgreens, anything like that. But honestly, I just like to keep it simple. I don't believe in spending too much money on my setup because I'm not a big YouTuber, and I think if it ever came to that, then maybe I would do a little bit more. But honestly, I just work with what I have. And this is it. This is what I have. Another piece of equipment that I use that I think is pretty essential, especially if you like to do vlogs or things like that, is my small portable tripod with its bendy legs. And I purchased this one from Five Below, so it cost me $5. And honestly, you guys, this is just the most perfect, convenient thing. Even if you don't want to get a larger tripod, this is great because the legs are bendy. You can kind of configure this to a lot of different things. Set your phone up on it and it stays there. It allows you to record hands-free. You can take it with you. It's easy to pack. If you're traveling and you're doing travel vlogs, things like that, it's nice and easy to carry with you. Once again, I got mine from Five Below, but I'm sure you can also get this from Amazon, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, anything like that. Now, I also want to touch on my audio equipment, which is very minimal. I use the microphone that's already installed on my phone, so that I don't count that as an additional purchase or anything like that. But I also use an app called Voice Record Pro. It is a free app where you can record yourself. And I use that because I think when I want to do a voiceover, it just sounds so good when I get good quality audio. And I don't need a microphone. I don't need all this crazy software. You can literally just talk into your phone and record it, email it to yourself, and then I just drag and drop that into my video when I'm editing. All right, you guys, that wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any questions about anything else that I may not have touched on in this video. And make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing. And also make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.